We have this G profile refrigerator, and if you open this one, for some reason the light is not activating when I open the door, and that is because of this particular switch which is over here. Now this switch has gone bad, and my plan is to remove this switch prior to open this switch and replace this switch with a new switch which I bought in, and this is the new switch which we have to just replace. So going to be pretty straightforward project. So what we are going to do is first disconnect the power supply, and then take the flathead screwdriver, insert that flathead screwdriver from the bottom, and yeah, as you see, if I remove this, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So I know that it is gone bad. So if I do a couple of times, it may come up or it may not. So yeah, so the plan is to replace this one. So what I was saying is that basically take the flathead screwdriver, insert it from here, and pry to open, and wiggle it, and then it will you will be able to remove that switch very easily. But first thing first is switch off the power supply to this refrigerator. So take the using the flathead screwdriver, you have to just see that how you can insert this flathead screwdriver without damaging the material, like this. And once it is done, just press it, and you have to hold it like this, and you should be able to remove it. And once you wiggle it, it will come out. So now just remember that which color goes where. So brown on this white color or bluish color link is on this side, and the red color on the right side. So it's just matter of taking the new switch. Let me remove the switch from the, so it is exactly a replica of this particular switch, like this. And we have to just replace this harness, wire harness, and put it onto the new switch. So it goes here, and this goes here. Once it is done, just before putting this back, just test it out by powering the refrigerator, and see that whether you are able to get the light very nicely or not. Now as you see, the light is coming nicely with the new switch without any hassle. So now it's working. So we have to just place this light inside this one. So push it, and once it is done, that's it. So you are done with replacing the old light with old button with the new button. So now if I open open the refrigerator, it should be very seamlessly switched off and switch on. So very small project which you can tackle it without any problem. Thanks for watching.